Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a timeline in MIRO, so let's get started. MIRO is a powerful, collaborative whiteboard tool that makes visualizing project schedules and historical events straightforward using its dedicated timeline feature. To begin, first log into your account at MIRO.com and navigate to the board where you want to place your timeline, or create a new blank board if necessary. Once you are on the board, look toward the left side of the screen and locate the Tools, Media, and Integration icon, often represented by a square or a grid of tools, and click on it. Within the search bar that appears, type the word timeline, and the corresponding template or tool will pop up. Proceed to click on this timeline option. Your mouse cursor's appearance will change, indicating that the tool is active, allowing you to click anywhere on your board to establish the top left starting point of the timeline visualization. Once placed, your timeline will appear with a default structure, usually including placeholders for the first, second, and third tasks, which you can then resize and drag to any location. To customize, simply double-click on any placeholder task to rename it, for example, calling a new one-fourth task, and use the available formatting options to change the color of each individual task to make them easier to distinguish visually. Crucially, you can adjust the duration of each task by clicking on its block within the timeline and dragging the edges horizontally to expand or contract its start and end dates along the time axis, allowing you to accurately map out the project schedule. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.